All right, so we are moving along here. I don't know if you can tell, but I found the right bearings, the right rods, the right world. I got a D15 going together, not a Z6, not the 1.6 anymore. We got a 1.5 with the girdle, pistons, rods, Gordo's old block, so it was serted. And so it is serted, as well as I just gapped all new rings for the pistons. So Gordo's, when we put his together last, all the pistons actually moved inside here when you were in here, and you can move them back and forth. But look, all these ones, they're solid. So that's going to be a big difference there, and it spins so easy. So easy. Dude, it spins awesome. So me and the boys are getting this thing slammed together. We're going to get the head studs in this thing and the head on it soon. Get it in there with the tranny. We already got the transmission all off that other single cam. Got the clutch ready to go. Flywheel right here. So now that I've got pistons and rods in here, we're going to be able to move forward and start doing the pickup and all the little stuff. Oh man, it's going to be sick. Holy crap, it's starting to look like an engine. Got the head on there, pistons, rods in it, all torqued down, 85 foot-pounds. Gonna go ahead and start doing the timing. Dude, I'm getting excited. It's getting epic, bro. Yes, sir.
I like it.
Like it a lot.
Can't wait till we can put it in.
Soon.
I know, very soon.
And we're gonna have to pull it off this stand here soon.
This bad
Put the
boy.
clutch on it. Yeah, we're gonna have to get that guy in there. So what we'll do, but we're gonna run this to our blow-off valve, and then this to our fuel pressure regulator, and then brake booster, and so on and so forth. So it's gonna be really clean and sick looking. Not too many lines in the way or anything. We don't have a fast idle valve because it went bad on us back in the day, but that's all right. We don't need that.
We made a custom little cap.
Yeah, custom little plate. That was Goofy and Jordan built back in the day.
GoofyBuilt made.
Yep, back in the day for sure. Just a little plate with some holes drilled in it. Literally a square plate. That's awesome. All right, man. Got her all timed. Pretty much a motor now. Think we should fit up the turbo and stuff, see how it looks?
Of course.
Let's do it.
Need a bolt.
A bolt? All right.
Bolt. Just one.
I'll find one. I got a little bolt bin right here. All right, I got one.
Got one.
I think, let me make sure it threads on first. Yeah.
Sweet.
Hey, this is gonna be sick. Our old manifold and stuff, man.
It looks good. It's definitely gonna smoke because there's so many people grabbing on it, but
Yeah, with super oily hands, all right. You need a wrench to tighten the rest of the way, but I think.
loosen this up so we can move around a little bit.
Oh yeah, and clock everything out.
Look at that.
Dude, that's gonna look sick.
Looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm. It's like Medusa almost, but the single cam one, you know?
I know, right? How it has the kind of
Yeah.
upper like that.
Yeah. It's like on the same side and everything, you know? How it does. This is
Right.
the front runner that comes up, and then and then this is the front runner that comes up. You know?
Alright.
Look at that. The
pretty cool.
H series. That's my Prelude manifold, and then this is our single cam manifold. That's so cool. Looks like I got a common look I like.
Yeah, right? Mufasa looking headers.
Mufasa. It's almost a ram horn. All right, so got the timing belt cover on there. It's looking really good, man. This thing's coming together. We're about ready to go in. We got to put the crank pulley on it. The alternator belt. Do a little wastegate fit up. Oh man, that's gonna look so sick.
Perfect.
Yeah, dude, that's gonna be perfect. Whew. We'll just turn that V-band a little bit so it shoots down. That's gonna be awesome.
About time to go in.
Yes, sir.
Drop it. Put training on it.
Put a few little goodies on it. gonna get busy.
Yeah, dude. Look at that.
We'll just lower it down and then we'll hook the engine hoist up and lift it up into it.
Let's clean this area up real quick.
Oh yeah. We're gonna clean our area up. We got a huge mess here. We're gonna just keep the parts we need. Like, we need the axles. We'll probably need the boost pipes and the couplers. We need this torque mount, turbo, the bolts, that transmission mount.
These are H's.
Yeah, those are H. Yeah, we'll get to getting this engine in. It's gonna be epic.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So he's putting the bolt in the T-bracket right now. Got 2 nuts on the side mount and 1 bolt in there. Looking for some more nuts as of right now. It's getting epic. Woo! All right, so we got a freaking Civic here now, man. Thing looks like a car again, kind of like Gordo's. No, this thing is coming together sick though. I'm excited. I hope all of you guys are just as excited as me. Got our gauge pod in there. Hope to get our wideband and we're gonna have a boost gauge. Come on, we need a boost gauge. Wideband boost gauge and hopefully an oil pressure. We'll see if we can find one laying around. Throw an oil pressure gauge in there. This thing's gonna be epic though, guys. I'm really excited. This thing's super clean. Okay, it's not that clean, but she's our baby. So I hope you guys all enjoy hanging out with us today. We kicked ass, worked really hard, and you guys can all tell by the engine that's sitting in there right now. I saw a comment yesterday that said, that looks like an impossible amount of work. And just so you guys know, nothing's impossible. You guys just work hard at it. So, this is GoofyBuilt. You guys all have a great night. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Peace out. Stay safe out there, guys.